Helo shwmai a chroeso nôl I Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello shwmai and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. Last week we covered numbers 11 to 20. Now, this week, we are going a different direction. We are going to talk about clothes. DILLAD. Yes, this week I'm going to teach you how to list all those items in your wardrobe, one by one, in Welsh. Barod? Ready? Here we go. SIWMPER Jumper. Crease tee, t-shirt. SGERT Skirt. FFROC Dress. TROWSYS Trousers. Crease shirt. COT Coat. SANAU Socks. ESGIDIAU Shoes. HET Hat. SGARFF Scarf. MENIG Gloves. And there you have it. Now you can talk about your entire wardrobe in Welsh. Dillad, clothes. Don't forget to join us next week for another episode of Welsh Wednesdays. Gweld chi wythnos nesa. See you next week.